Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crypto Daily. So as I promised to provide a daily quiz for ARI wallet, so here today we are going to answer it together with you guys. So we already know that we are on testnet, so let's click on testnet. So the mainnet is coming. So but we need to get a more token in testnet before the mainnet being live. So we have collected 30 ARI token like for our daily checking. So here it is, like our daily quiz. So let's click on go. So today's question here is, which type of blockchain for key is incompatible with existence rule? So the answer here it is like, which is number 2, B. So we have clicked on the correct answer. We have successfully collected 30 ARI. So here it is. So if this is your first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.